Welcome to Life Stories with Grace, Kansiime, Mwesigye. This is a place where we grow, where we learn so many things regarding how to make our lives easy in our families. So today I would like to share with you something very special. You know, in many cases, there are people who, more especially today, let me address the ladies. You go out there, you make your money, then you come back home, and life is a full stress for you. Yet you can make your life easier by investing in gadgets that will make your life a lot easier, and then you can have a good relationship and peace in your home. And so today I will share with you my first gadget. In this series I will share with you many more gadgets, and yes, our lives can be easy. But before I talk about my first gadget and its safety features, I would like to kindly ask you, if you have never subscribed before, please do subscribe for me and like my videos and go through the channel and like all the other videos. And if it is your first time, thank you so much for choosing me. I guarantee you that you will not be disappointed. And if you find this video very useful, kindly share with friends and family so that our lives can be better. And so today my gadget is, it's called an air fryer. An air fryer, I choose this Philips air fryer because apart from just having an air fryer, my safety comes first. What does an air fryer do? Now, an air fryer will help you to cook your food. It will look like the fried food. It will be grilled. It will be air fried using the safest kinds of oil, which is olive oil, coconut oil, and so many other oils that are there and are healthy, and yet you cannot use them for cooking. Now, in the air fryer, when you have finished getting your food, you have put it in a plate or in any other container in preparation for its cooking. This can be chips. As you can see on this, they're showing you chips, they're showing you chicken, they're showing you potatoes. This air fryer even bakes. It bakes in the fastest possible manner that any person who doesn't know baking can try. And so if you look at the choice that I have made, which is a Philips, it's on the extreme end of the price. Okay, not the most expensive one, but compared to other air fryers that we see on the market, this one is a little more expensive. And the reason I chose it is because its safety features. Now, when we open our air fryer, you open it like this. I want you to look at the inside of this air fryer. Now, this is where the secret is, on this panel, this plate that is used to make the air fryer. I will press here and remove that inside panel. If you look at the material that makes this air fryer, is a bit strong, quite stronger than what you have on the market. It is a safe material for putting in food. And so in choosing to buy the Philips, that's where my interest was. How safe is this? There are so many fryers that you will pick on the market, and you find the weakest form of iron with a lot of paint around it, and before you even know, you're already eating chemicals and other things that you may not understand. So I chose this air fryer first because of its safety features. This is a safety kind of material that I will use without having second thoughts. Okay, so how do we use this air fryer? Now let me imagine you have come back home from work, you're tired, you have to cook chicken, you have to cook meat, you have to do so many other things. What does an air fryer do? Now get your pieces of chicken or even potatoes, get olive oil or coconut oil. The extra virgin is what I always prefer. You get that cooking oil, rub it around your food. It can be the chicken, it can be the meat, it can be the potato, whether sweet potato or anything. Now, once you finish seasoning, they call it seasoning, with all the spices that you need, put your meat in the spices, put your meat in, add in salt, add in your curry powder and anything that you need. Then put in a drip, like a teaspoon or two, depending on the amount of meat you're cooking, of olive oil or coconut oil, and then put your food in this container. Now, the moment you put the food in that container, it is ready to cook. So when it is ready to cook, you put it inside there and you lock. Now, this is not as stressful as lighting a sigiri before you can roast your meat. Now, in one of my videos, we talked about eating roasted meat. Meat should be grilled or roasted or smoked before you cook it. This will help to remove the fat, defatting it, because fat is where much of the animal diseases hide. They hide in the fats. So once you roast the meat and you reduce on the amount of fat that are in there, it means you are reducing the amount of toxicity that could be hidden inside that meat. Now, I tell you, meat is a good food to eat. I don't know why many people keep saying, oh, I cannot eat meat, but how you eat it is very important. And so, once you finish defatting your meat, put it inside your air fryer. Now, the most enjoyable part is that the air fryer, you will time it. Now, the timers are here on the top. If it is meat which is harder, you're going to twist this button to 180, and then you're going to put the timer to only 24 minutes. If it is a chicken, you're going to put, if it is fish, you're going to put at 160 and put your timer at 20 minutes, 22 minutes. If it is if you're baking a cake, you're going to put it at 180, this, and then put this timer at only 14 minutes. Now, why do I advocate for every woman to have this air fryer? One, you are going to be eating healthy food. What do I mean by healthy food? This air fryer does not cause your oil to get to a smoking point like you put in a saucepan. Some oils have a low smoking point, other oils have a very high smoking point. Now, that is where the danger with oil comes in. An oil which has a low smoking point, if you put it on the frying pan, it is going to activate carcinogens. If it has a high smoking point, then you have to calculate and make sure that it doesn't heat up to that level where it is going to make the charring sound on the frying pan. But with this, there is no opportunity for the oil to smoke. You just mix it with the food and it will grill your food, it will bake your food, it will roast your food, and you will eat safe food, but very tasty. Now I just replaced my air fryer. Before I had a Philips white, now I have a Philips black. They are all the same. I just changed color. But I tell you, this is the most time saving for any woman in the house, and for men who want to make their wives' lives easy. Please use this air fryer. I am not marketing this because I am paid to market. I only want to help you make your life easy. And if you are a woman, you know you want to make your life easier, please go buy yourself an air fryer and make your life easy. You don't have to stress with this or the other. This is cost effective. You only put in how much you need. It's not like a big grill that will take so much electricity. No, it just takes enough because it is small. If you want a bigger one, there are also bigger sizes. There are others which have different compartments where you can put meat, where you can put chicken on the other side, and where you can put other things like 2 or 3 compartments. Now for me, this is my choice. This is how I make my life easy. This is how I give my family safe food, by the choices that I make. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please share it with friends. And if you've not subscribed before, kindly subscribe, like, and support me in becoming visible on YouTube. God bless you.